But this is Aristotle. Aristotle, he tried to use another way to understand the universe. The most important is he find the universal in particular things, which he called a sense of things. So after people have the concept to try to study the world, is according to the observations. So after observations, then we can ask the correct questions, not only imagine things maybe not happen. So people can use the observations to try to find the solution of the questions. But how to choose the observations to answer the question? He introduced the logic. He used several steps to choose the result of observations and to analyze that. So we can have the science today is because the how to say that, 贡献 contribution the contribution of Aristotle. Well, he used his philosophy, his idea to try to understand the universe, to understand the world. This is the famous theory of Aristotle. Aristotle has lots of theory. Is some theory I wrote here. The first one is natural motion. It means in this theory we can, okay, this theory is talk about because if we use object, then it will fall down and always the same direction and to the center of the earth. So according to the observation, he believed the center of the universe is in the center of our earth. And the rectilinear motion is talk about if you say an object is moving, then it will and it's straight down at a constant speed. So it must be acted by the force. And the other is the speed. He believed the speed is proportional to the density of the object. And the fourth is the earth, the ether. Ether is the material full of our universe. You cannot see, but it exists. However, after 1905, Einstein he gave us the suggestion to give up the ether. And the five is continuum. He can't leave the atom. He against the existence of atom because he believed the material is always continuous. So no empty space, even in the water, the table. The material is always is very continuous, full of the space. So there is no atom. And the next is celestial motion. The celestial motion is to talk about the sun, moon, and the stars. They always surrounding our is moving around our Earth, and is by the circle motion here. So you will see the sky here. You will see the star. It looks like goes through the moving on the path of the secure object. You see this star here, here. Okay. Of course, this is the theories according to the observations of Aristotle. However, maybe he's right or he's wrong. But right now we believe everybody cannot accept the theories of him. Even he is the greatest philosophy. Okay, so. So let's see the history of the science from Ptolemus to Alan Guth. It's Ptolemy. Ptolemy wrote about a book. Is make it how to read that. It's a talk about the stars moving around the sky, and you will see it's a circle motion. However, it's not so simple that we can see, because if you look at this is Mars. It's in June 1st and July 1st. August, September, and October, December, and January. And you will see it's very strange because it's go back to the plane. In moving the here, then go back to there, and go to another position. It's so-called Mars retrograde. So it's very difficult to understand and describe the situation. So people try to describe that in 1,000 years. So it's not only the contribution by Ptolemy, it's also contribution by this guy's Hipparchus. Thank you. This theory is dependent on, because we cannot see our Earth, and we always observe the situation is the stars moving around us. So this theory is dependent on the center. The center is our Earth, and the other stars is around to our Earth. However, it's very difficult to calculate that, even it could correct to calculate the position, even when June 1st, August, or January here. But it's very difficult to think, and it should be used lots of the fuel. So then you will ask one question: if that is true, for example, if this is moon, no, it's not moon. If this is the Mars, then it should be moving around the one object, but you cannot see here. So what's this one? Okay, so it's a very, very big question for us. So even the Ptolemy cannot answer this question, but it's very powerful theory.